Howdy, Travis from KnowHow here. Over the course of this video series, you are going to go from not needing to know anything about KnowHow to being able to fully equip your team to work competently and confidently on the job site using KnowHow's wide suite of AI-powered features so your team always know the right way to do things, whether they're on the job site or in the office. Over the course of this video series, you're going to see how our AI-powered video creation works so you can take real-life footage of people explaining how to do a flood cut, how to put on PPE, and turn that into standardized step-by-step processes available in any language. You'll see how you can upload videos through our Magic Docs functionality so workers can just chat with your service level agreements with insurance carriers, for example, or just ask a question of the operator's manual for your dehumidifier. You're going to be able to see how to set up autopilot training for all your staff in every role. So all your water techs from day one, they get trained up on how to become an excellent water technician. And you can see all your water techs across all their locations. Where are they at in their training? Who's falling behind? Who's racing ahead? Today, I'm going to only show you one thing because this one thing is the most valuable piece of ensuring your staff work competently and confidently, and that is KnowHow's AI-powered magic search. I'm going to flip to mobile here, and you can see a screen. This is the KnowHow app when you open it. And a worker, imagine they're out on a job site and they've got a question. KnowHow's AI-powered magic search searches through all your documents, all your processes in order to give your staff the information they need. So let's say, for example, I'm out on a job site and I've got a question. How many air movers do I need for 350 square foot basement? I'm going to hit search, and what KnowHow's going to do is it's going to search through all the processes that I have. It found this one called how to install air movers, and then it gave me the answer. It read the process, and it said, Travis, for a 350 square foot basement, you're going to want 50 to 70 square feet per affected floor. This is 5 to 7 air movers. Take me to the process. Process is going to show up, and look. Step 1, decide how many air movers to use. 1 air mover for every 50 to 70 square feet. So what happened is KnowHow found that process. It found that step where it said 1 air mover for every 50 to 70 square feet. And then it did the math in its head, and it gave me that answer, 350. All right, let's do one more question just to show how KnowHow's magic search works. Not only do I get answers based on processes, I can also get answers based on equipment malfunctioning. So let me just ask. I have an ER9 code. What does that mean? And so what this is going to do is it's going to search through all of my process documentation. It found a process called how to set up a dehumidifier, and it explained here an ER9 code means the drainage line is likely kinked or blocked. Man, did that probably save me 45 minutes or an hour of trying to troubleshoot why my dehu wasn't working all on the spot. The way KnowHow works is it takes your company's knowledge base and it activates it, puts it in the fingers of your staff, whether they're out on the job site or in the office. Over the course of this series, you'll see some of the very cool ways that even your office staff can have KnowHow come alongside them to give them answers in the moment without even going to KnowHow's website. It's pretty cool. This is just the tip of the iceberg. Over the course of this video series, you are going to go in depth with how to use KnowHow in order to equip your staff to work competently and confidently. I'm excited to be on this journey with you for you to become a process-driven, standardized company. Let's get at it.